Hey guys, welcome back to Wi-Fi Money. This is a new series here. As last week we did blow all five of our accounts with my funded futures, three of those being funded accounts and two being evals. Never quit, don't stop. We're gonna keep back at it, especially considering that we were in the green against my funded futures with the payout that I received in the previous week. Um, so, I mean, yeah, it was very disappointing that that occurred, but a lot of lessons to be learned. I was attempting to trade while away at a work conference. I was in Orlando. I didn't trade at the conference, but I was attempting to trade before the conference when I had some time and just not being in the ideal environment. Maybe that got to me, but who knows? Lessons to learn there. And yeah, we got stopped out. I mean, we lost our account on a really bad stop. I was short within these candles here, and it stopped me out by a tick, and we lost the account. So that was, man, very frustrating to lose my accounts with barely getting stopped out like 3 days in a row. But I did start with Take Profit Trader, so this is going to be a Take Profit Trader series, and this time I'm actually going to start with the evals. I'll show you guys how I pass the evals, get funded, and get payouts. So we lost our accounts with my funded futures on Thursday. Actually YOLO'd a take profit, one take profit account on Thursday afternoon, and that didn't work out. It was a YOLO attempt, literally just like all in one trade. Either is gonna get to the the profit goal or I was gonna blow it. It got blown, but don't recommend doing that. But I was in a bad state of mind and just YOLO'd one. But I reset it after that, and I just I bought and sold immediately because with Take Profit Trader, you need 5 trading days as well as meeting the profit goal. So I just flipped that day just to get an account, and I mean, not an account, just to get a trading day. Um, then the following day, Friday, I actually traded the Dow. I shorted, and I'll show you how that played out. We were previously looking at the 4 hour. It's been um, yeah, quite a trend down, and as expected, and as I lost my accounts on. But I'll just dive right into the 15 minutes since we're late here. I'm looking for the opening candle here, guys. This is Sunday that I'm now making this video. I was still bearish. I liked how we retraced here on the 15 minute. It was about a 50% retrace. Then the downtrend continued. This is the opening candle. We had a nice leg down here, but I did not want to enter on this after on this first 15 minute. Even here, I wasn't confident because we kept getting stopped out on retracements, on further retracements than I really wanted. So I wanted a full retracement to the order block here on the 15 minute, and that's exactly where I entered. I'll show you. I screenshot it. I screenshot the entry on my phone. This is a screenshot that came directly from my phone. After you got the full retracement to the level that I showed you, I wanted it to show. I wanted to wait a little bit to confirm that it was only a retracement. And here within this candle, I was convinced that we would then continue our downtrend for another leg, or at least to retest of the lows here. I had my stop loss above the candle here with my take profit right along here for a retest. I didn't want to retest the wick, but I wanted to retest where the bodies of the candles were, and that worked out. Since this was an eval, I did risk a bit more. I risked more than like 750 to make 1500, which we made with commissions 1470. So that was, yeah, a good trade. Obviously, one more like that without losing pretty much gets us funded. So we have 2 days traded plus 1470 in profit. We have to get to $3,000 without violating the $2,000 end of day trailing stop. And yeah, so we got one eval. Actually, I just bought a second eval literally right before making this video. So starting tomorrow, I'll be trading two evals, and I'll probably stick with those two until I get an additional payout. So that's where we are now. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. I'll make the next video once we trade.